Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Peppa Pig ice cream. First, gather your ingredients like heavy cream, milk, sugar, and your favorite flavorings. This recipe is designed to be easy and enjoyable for everyone, especially little ones who love Peppa. We'll walk through each step, ensuring a smooth and tasty process. Get ready to create a delightful treat that will bring smiles to all faces. To begin our Peppa Pig ice cream adventure, let's collect our supplies. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream and 1 1/2 cups of whole milk for a rich base. For sweetness, grab 2/3 of a cup of cane sugar and some vanilla extract for flavor. Don't forget your ice cream maker, a saucepan, and a whisk to mix everything perfectly. Now for the magic. In a medium saucepan, combine your heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and vanilla extract. Warm this mixture over medium-low heat, whisking constantly for about 5 minutes until the sugar fully dissolves. Once warmed, pour the base into a heat-proof bowl, cover it, and chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or even overnight. This chilling step is crucial for the best texture. After churning, your Peppa Pig ice cream will be soft and ready to enjoy. For a firmer treat, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for 2 to 4 hours. Get creative with toppings like colorful sprinkles, fresh fruit, or chocolate chips to make it extra special. Share your delicious creation with family and friends for a truly delightful experience. And remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.